This is
pretty dark.
You got
That is high.
fantastic. Look.
Look at these, look.
It's working. Look what it does to the wires. Look. Oh my God, look at all the things.
Oh, isn't that gorgeous?
It's Melbourne. This is see, that's the Melbourne concert hall.
Oh, it is too.
Oh, look. Isn't that nice?
So
Look at the
good.
reflection up there. And look at all the purple.
I don't look, I think they look so bright today.
Look at the wires. Look at that. Your shirt is so good.
Look at the uniform.
I know, doesn't it look fantastic?
You have to get right in the light.
Look at those, look at that little, look, does it look like fireworks? Something, doesn't it look beautiful?
Yeah.
That as well. Oh God! Look, there's all snow.
It's our city.
Yeah. And look at that orange light, that's another laser. Oh, listen, look at this fog down there.
Look at the light coming out there.
Look at the fog down there. Doesn't that look beautiful? It's all sort of swirling. Love the colours. Yeah, so you can see that's Melbourne, like there's the building and that's the...
That's it.
And look.
Oh.
God. Isn't it beautiful? I wonder where the noise is coming from.
I wonder if it's just a table.
Oh look, I love that thing up there.
Yeah.
Look at the leaves, yeah. And look, I wonder what that orange light is.
I love the leaves.
Yes. Oh, fog. Yeah. And look, is that purple?
Yeah.
It's grey.
Yeah.
And look, oh my God, look down here.
Yeah.
It's a jungle. It's like a jungle, isn't it? It's fantastic. Oh, here's the other side. Oh, it's good.
Okay, whenever you're ready, girl.
Okay.
Doesn't look great.
Look at the lights. Oh, look at the smoke. See, oh, look, it's Melbourne. Look, see? There's the Melbourne Concert Hall.
Yeah.
Look, you can see all the different buildings. Oh, look, it's purple smog. I mean, there must be a purple light or something. Look at the bands coming down at the top there. Oh, look, here's some more smog. Oh,
It's so good in the fluoro light.
Doesn't that look beautiful?
Mm.
That just sort of like looks like a firework. It just looks so beautiful.
Just comes on. I wonder what
Look,
it
it's
is.
got different
that tingling
colours.
sound.
Yeah, that's sort of.
I know what it
makes
is.
Do you think that's supposed to be the moon up there or something?
I don't know. It looks good.
Looks beautiful. Look, if you look at it for a long time,
Changing colours.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's moving, isn't
doesn't
it?
it look better now with all the smoke right around the place?
Looks fantastic. Oh, look
Look
at
the stripe,
those.
the laser.
And the
colours
red
in it.
lights and the little rectangle thing. Look at those beautiful ones up there. But I love that one there because
Yeah,
it's so gentle.
same.
It's just beautiful.
Look at the leaves
Look, you
down
can
the
see
bottom.
little things down there. See, coming out
Oh
from
yeah,
behind.
oh yeah, you can too.
I don't know what it does though, but
Look at the leaves down the bottom. They look good.
it must have taken a long time to make.
Look at that sort of like laser thing. Doesn't that look good?
It looks wonderful.
It looks so bright on the trees. I think it's fantastic.
Here's some more.
Oh yeah, there's some more. Look, but look, it looks purple there, but then it
How many
looks
different
grey
colours
over
it's
here.
projecting?
Oh yeah, and look, it looks like it's swirling there, but I don't know what.
Looks like a,
Look, all the smog's come around here now. It looks fantastic.
another laser got much bigger,
Yeah, I know. And doesn't it look better now when you look through?
stronger.
Is that moving or is it just my eyes?
I think it's moving.
I can't
Maybe
tell.
it's not.
Maybe
No,
it's
It's
just the
just the
light.
light. It's the light.
I think it's moving.
I don't.
I don't know.
I don't know. Now you've
Oh, look at
confused
that
me.
thing. See that thing sort of swirling around? Looks sort of
Oh,
like
that looks like-
liquids.
And the thing
Yeah, drop
underneath it.
liquid.
The thing underneath the
Yeah,
little lights going there.
I will sit
Yeah,
there.
we love that.
I've been there.
Oh,
It's like Katie.
Sorry, sorry.
look,
Yeah.
that's beautiful.
I love that laser, orange laser, bright orange. Looks
It
really
looks
good.
when you look at that.
Yeah.